5 simple exercises to get a flat belly fast. A bulging belly not only makes you look out of shape, but it is associated with an increased risk of mortality, diabetes, high blood pressure, and cancer. Abdominal fat is usually very stubborn and can only be reduced through a combination of proper diet and consistent exercise. Below are some simple exercises you can do at home to flatten your belly with only your body weight. All of these exercises can be done with similar frequency, so it is recommended to pick 3 to 4 movements and perform them 2 to 3 times a week for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. 1. Plank. The plank is a full body exercise that strengthens your abdominal muscles, lower back, glutes, and arms. It helps create whole body stability while also burning calories quickly. Another benefit of this exercise is that it can be done anywhere, so no gym is necessary. With this exercise, you are counting seconds instead of reps, so instead of aiming for 10 to 12 repetitions, aim for 20 to 30 seconds. 2. Goblet squat. The squat is typically recommended for burning fat and sculpting the legs, but did you know it is great at working the core as well? The goblet squat is considered to be the most effective in this regard. It requires holding a weight in front of you, thus placing more load on the abdominal muscles.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
3. Leg raises / hip lift. A great core movement that you can perform is leg raises. This exercise targets your ab muscles, especially the lower abdominal muscles. 4. Glute bridge. The glute bridge largely targets your bum, but helps work out your belly as well by engaging both your glutes and abdominal muscles at the same time, so as to keep your spine in a safe position. 5. Bicycle crunch. Another move to target the stomach area is bicycle crunches. This exercise works the abdominal muscles and obliques. It is a relatively easy exercise that anyone can do regardless of ability. If you are trying to lose belly fat, make sure that diet is the #1 thing you focus on. Eating more vegetables, fruits, and lean protein, and less junk will help you lose body fat overall. Beyond a proper diet, there are exercises that can help tone and shape up the stomach area to make the belly tighter and flatter while burning fat. Exercise, in general, has been shown to boost metabolism, burn fat, and build muscle, all of which give you a good-looking body.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.